Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I've got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is MsCreativeDiva, some call me Monet. Welcome. If you are an MCD Beauty already, welcome back to my channel. Today's actually going to be a review. I'm going to be styling this hair, you guys. I'm already going to tell you that I'm pretty obsessed with the wave pattern, so I cannot wait to show you guys what this hair is going to look like. I really don't know if I want to do a middle part, if I want to do like kind of no part and have it pulled back. I'm not really sure, but we are working with BLY Beauty Hair, so I will put all their information down below for you guys. You guys already know I got you. I've done a review for them before, so if you've watched my Get Ready With Me, I did like a red bob, and you guys have been loving the bob that I've been rocking lately. It is from this hair company as well, and baby, they is on Amazon. So y'all, this is 28 inches of hair, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of my lace off and come back, and then I'll give y'all a little bit more information and specs. Got my lace cut off. I'm gonna go ahead and get it secured. Now to secure today, I'm actually gonna be using the bedhead hard head spray. I don't want it so close to my eyebrows, so I'm gonna try to put it back, but make sure that it's not like in my hair. But it's so hard. Like I actually try to shave my hairline on purpose so I don't have them issues. I feel like it's gonna have to be like right here just for me to comfortably wear it. And honestly, with the band, it's pretty secure. I feel like it's more secure on this side than it is this side. I do feel like I can pull out some baby hairs to kind of counteract it during, like, you know, like if I'm just wanting to throw the wig on, which I love. as is. Y'all would not believe what literally just happened to me. My hair was on fire, y'all. Oh, it'd be the shit that happens to me when I am filming. Like, Lord. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my wax stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do my edges out. And I got my water bottle with my conditioner already. I always tell y'all, make sure y'all keep like a mix, like a water mix, especially when you are working with like wavy curly hair, because that is going to help that hair last. And you don't want to just have your hair just sitting for days. Even if you are one that wears your wigs constantly, still keep you some conditioner in a bottle. That's going to just help add that moisture back into the hair, so that way. So y'all had to get me a new hot comb, because the one I had, it was struggling. Ooh, okay. Like, ooh, oh, okay. I ain't used to it getting this hot now. Man, oh, okay. Might have to turn it down. Yep. Cause baby, let me put it on right here. That thing hot. Okay. I feel like I'm definitely gonna love the way that this hot comb works on a mannequin as opposed to my head, because it's really, really hot. But it's definitely doing the job. So I think we're gonna keep the middle part. I'll have to see, like, once I take the band off. Did not have to do a lot to the frontal if I didn't want to, as far as plucking. But me, y'all know how I am. I like to perfect my units. And so I did pluck it, but it did not take me as long as it normally takes me. So honestly, if you did not want to do that much to your frontal, you definitely, I would say you can wear it out the pack, but that's just not my thing. You know what I mean? But it did not look bad. The hairline was still natural looking, and it wasn't like super, super full. I just personally like to create dimension, so that this is like the product that I recommend. It definitely works in humid weather, and it just makes your curls just last and not get big, if that makes sense. So if you like big hair, by all means, just use like some conditioner, some water, and just like some other curl product. But this mousse literally helps tame your hair. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and put on some clothes, but I wanted to show you guys this hair, and I will take a picture of, you know, the full length of the hair and everything like that. But you guys, this is 28 inches of hair. Let me see if I can pull it down just a little bit. So this is 28 inches of hair, you guys. Like, man, like this side is gonna be a little bit fuller than this side because this is the side that caught on fire, y'all. Y'all see I had to push the candle back. I'm just gonna add some concealer. So we're gonna rock it like this for a few days until I feel like I wanna change it. Like, majority of my units, I like to keep them pretty versatile. So I try not to over pluck in certain areas, especially like the middle part. Cause you know, like you wanna, like, you know, most people want to switch their parts. So if you want to, you can actually pluck the hairline itself. I mean, the part itself, to make it a little bit wider, more natural looking. If you feel like you put like too much concealer on the part, you can always take a little bit of mascara and just brush it on here, or just take some black dye. That'll fix it as well. But yeah, overall, you guys, I really like this unit. Definitely check out this company, you guys. Like, Amazon is definitely giving. This hair is super giving. I am in love with it. It is giving me like that deep wave. I thought it was going to be a little bit looser, but you guys, I really do like it. The hair is soft. Y'all, it's just really, I don't know. Like, I think I'm obsessed with the length as well. So I really like the way this unit looks. Honestly, for the price point and the quality of the hair, I will have to say it is a definite go. This unit, yeah, like, it's really nice. It's giving me full. Now, this is 150 density. It's giving me very much natural. The hair is super soft. Like I said, the lace itself is thin. I was very appreciative of that. That's the one thing I noticed also when I opened the package. And just also, I didn't have to do too much to it. Now me, I do personally pluck the hell out of my units. That is something that I do think every unit needs, but to each his own. Guys, definitely check out BLY Beauty Hair. Yeah, I'm gonna hot comb that to the back so that way. Yeah, so as you see, like, it's drying. It doesn't make it full, so that's the reason why I love to use the mousse in the hair, because y'all, it just does wonders. And I've been doing that for years, and I always recommend to my clients to do that as well if they do not like to deal with really big hair, because it helps tame that hair. Ooh, child, y'all, this hot comb is hot. Ooh. But y'all see, like, I love the way I plucked it, so I definitely could still wear it like in an updo. Like, it just looks so good. I have to tip my hat off to them. They did a wonderful job. Like, it's not too many companies that I come across where I feel like I don't have to do a lot of work. It is just like a really gorgeous unit. Like, the length is everything. Like, it's drying, but because I put that mousse on it, it's not shrinking up too much. And the curls itself is just super voluminous and soft. So y'all, let me know what y'all think. Before y'all leave, be sure to give this video a thumbs up so we can get more install type videos. I'm trying to give y'all tips and tricks along the way, and just give y'all like some good product recommendations as well. So y'all, make sure y'all subscribe if y'all have not, so y'all can check the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Later.